Hi, this is a quick video showing the ability of VOLKSPC OS to copy paste between Android and Linux desktop applications. What you see here is Android x86 Pi version running on my PC. I'm going to start the Linux desktop. So we have booted the Linux desktop here. Let me bring up a editor. So I'm going to type some text. VOLKSPC OS based on Debian Buster XFCE. So I have the text here. I'm going to copy the text to the clipboard, and let me switch to Android, and I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, VOLKSPC OS based on Debian Buster XFCE. So it shows all the videos that we have made on our distribution. So let's try to bring up the Chromium browser and try copying it from Android to the Linux desktop. So let's copy this text. The PlayStation 5 will cost $4.99. I copy it and go back to the Linux desktop here. And then I can edit, paste. The PlayStation will cost $4.99. We can also copy this to, for example, a LibreOffice Writer. Edit, paste. So there we have it. We can increase the font size and center the text. So there we go. We copied text between Android and Linux desktop application. This is a bit of a lame example, but let us say a more realistic example would be you have an SMS message on your phone, on your Android phone that runs the Linux desktop. You could copy that SMS message into a Thunderbird email client running on the Linux desktop as a part of your larger email. So this is pretty much the last feature that we wanted to implement. So let's summarize as to where we are with our distribution. It runs as an application on Android. Strictly speaking, it's really a bunch of Linux desktop application that run on Android, but this specific desktop APK on Android makes it appear as one application to the Android framework. We can also share files as long as you put it in the internal SD card. We can share files between Android and the Linux desktop. For example, the same files is visible on SD card here. Download, the same files are here. All our configuration, audio, internet, locale and country settings are all based on Android settings. It's automatically configured when you start up. Also, we are a well-behaved Android application, which means we can also cast this desktop via Chromecast to a larger screen. In fact, if you have not watched it, you can look at our Xiaomi Redmi 6 video where we run the Linux desktop on a budget Redmi 6 phone and we cast it with Chromecast. So at this point, our software stack is pretty complete. I think most of our effort moving forward will be to support newer versions of Android and newer devices. We also have a preliminary port running on the latest Bullseye pre-release, and when it gets finally released early next year, we will migrate our software to Debian Bullseye XFCE. That's it, folks. I hope you liked our video. Thank you very much.